Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. This is Malaysia, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to repair a hole in your lace. So sometimes when you're plucking, you can get a little excited, your tweezers might be a little bit sharp, and it might cause a hole in your lace, but don't worry, we can fix this super easy. All you're going to need is a needle, invisible thread, and a pair of scissors. So first, you're going to thread your needle. It is very tedious because the thread is so tiny, but once you get it, it's all done. And I like to double knot the ends as well. So I just have the lace laying upwards, and I take the needle and I go through, and then I separate the two strings from the needle, and I pull the needle through the middle of the strings, and that just creates like a knot at the front so that the stitching is very secure. So I could just continue going through, and I am wrapping the string around the needle every time I pull it through. And y'all, please excuse my nails. Today was a hard day, okay? But I wanted to get this video made for you guys, and I wanted you guys to see this information regardless. I know y'all understand, right? Okay, so I'm just going along the length of the hole. And I am trying to pull through like the holes in the actual lace, so I'm not creating any new holes. Just going through some of the holes closest to the actual hole. So now I finally made it to the end. Just showing you guys what it looks like. It's perfect stitching, very unnoticeable, and that's what I love about this invisible thread. So actually what I'm going to do is go back in and do a second round of stitching just for double security. I'm just going to go back in the exact same way that I sewed the first time. So the same stitch and lock system. You definitely want to make sure that you are knotting the ends very well so that the stitching does not come out. This thread is very fine and needs a little reinforcement. Okay, so this unit is now fully wearable. You can part it anywhere. Just showing you guys what the part looks like with invisible thread, and it is literally invisible, y'all. You cannot see it, and you have just saved your life and saved you a lot of money and time. Okay, thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel, give a thumbs up to this video. See you guys later. Bye.